Welcome to all of you, a value-added course offered by Mathematics Department. The name of the course is Graphing and Plotting Techniques. Myself Parag Ajani. The course credit is 2 and the total duration of this course is 40 hours. And this course is valid for the students for semester 2 to 4. Now this is the content of the syllabus that what we are going to learn in this course, that is types of data and function, plotting data with Microsoft Excel, plotting using Scilab, plotting using GeoGebra, and interpretation of data and its plots. Now mainly that we are going to learn in this course is how to use bar chart to analyze some data that is given below. So we may come across towards the different types of data which are given in terms of numbers. So how to prepare a bar chart of certain data that we are going to learn in this course. So over here we are given a survey of students' favorite after school activities was conducted at a school, and here which we are given different activities, say for play sports in which the number of students are 45, talk on a phone, then its number of students are 53, visit with friends, which is the most favorite activity of the students, in which the number of students are 99, earn money, the number of students is 44, and so on. The last is watching TV, it is 37. So these are the different numbers towards the different activities, and this can be represented in terms of bar chart. It is this. So now looking to this chart, one can come to know that, or one can analyze the data very easily, that which is the most favorite activity of the students, which is the least favorite activity of the students, and so on. So this thing we are going to learn in this syllabus, in this value added course. Next we are also going to learn how to use pie chart to interpret the given data. So the pie chart, you can see it will be of this form. Here we are given one example, which is distribution of weight in human body. So as you can see that there are 310% is of muscles, 1/5 portion is of bones, 1/10 portion is of skin, and remaining hormones, enzymes and all is of 2/5 part of the total portion. Similarly, below we are having one more pie chart, which is the representation of distribution of weight in human body. That out of total weight, water plays 65% role in that. Similarly, protein plays 24% part in that, and remaining is the 11%. So this is just outline of the things which we are going to learn in this value added course, that is graphing and plotting. And these are some questions that you can get for the practice, and you can answer those questions. This is the next question. So if you are interested in this course, then you can join this course. You can contact me in the mathematics department, that is room number 322. So thank you all. Have a good day. એમ નહીં ઓલું આ થયું કે બંધ થઈ ગયું?